We don't have much people who encourage you. This concept of encouraging a person in good is very little. فَكَثِيرًا مَا يَبْرُزُ أَحَدٌ فِي مَيْدَانٍ مِنَ الْمَيَادِينَ. We see a person who, mashallah, Allahumma barik, he makes it in something. Either he learns medicine and he becomes something good in it, or he becomes good in the Quran and his tajweed is so good and his voice is very good, or he becomes a good teacher, so he knows how to teach and the ability to teach, and the art of teaching. He learns that and masters it. But what happens is ثُمَّ لَا يَجِدُ مَنْ يَأْخُذُهُ بِيَدِهِ. He doesn't find anyone that grabs him by the hand. وَيُعِينُهُ عَلَى نَفْسِهِ, and helps him and aids him. The world that we're living in today, it's scary, to be honest. This young individual who's trying to bring khair to the table, he doesn't find anyone that grabs him by the hand. بَلْ رُبَّمَا, rather what might even happen is he might find وَجَدَ مَنْ يُخَدِّرُهُ. He might find people who are deceiving him. وَيَضَعُ الْعَقَبَاتِ فِي طَرِيقِهِ, who place obstacles in front of him. And then what happens? وَمِنْ هُنَا تَخْبُ نَارُهُ وَتَدْنُو هِمَّتُهُ. That flame that was in him is extinguished. The aspiration that he had also is taken away from him. So that's one of the reasons why low aspiration comes. The eighth reason why there's low aspiration is صُحْبَةُ الْأَشْرَارِ وَمُرَافَقَةُ الْمُخَذِّلِينَ. The company and the people that you're with. الصُحْبَةُ السَّيِّئَةِ, evil people, they can تُحَسِّنُ الْقَبِيحَ وَتُقَبِّحُ الْحَسَنَ. They can beautify for you that which is evil, and they can make the good look bad. They can. وَتَجُرُّ الْمَرْأَ إِلَى الرَّذِيلَةِ, and they push a person to that which is bad. وَتُبْعِدُ عَنْ كُلِّ خَيْرٍ وَفَضِيلَةٍ, and they distance a person from every good there is out there. The reason for that is because أَنَّ الْمَرْأَ يَتَأَثَّرُ, that the person gets affected by بِعَادَاتِ جَلِيسِ, the people he sits with. فَالصَّاحِبُ سَاحِبُ وَالطَّبْعُ اسْتِرَاقٌ. The friend can drag you down, and you do take from people's nature and the way that they are. How many people have we copied? And sometimes we do it unintentionally. We don't even intend to do it. And from the people that we sit with, there are those who are mukhadhilin, deceptive people. There are people who are corrupt. وَمُرَافَقَتَهُمْ تَنْسَاقُ بِصَاحِبِهَا إِلَى الْحَضِيضِ. And sitting with these type of people, what will he do to you? تَنْسَاقُ صَاحِبَهَا إِلَى الْحَضِيضِ. It pushes that person to the lowest of low. فَكُلَّمَا هَمَّ بِالصُّعُودِ عَوَّقُوهُ عَنْ هِمَّتِهِ. Those type of people, whenever you are about to make it in life and you're making ends meet and you're succeeding in life, they pop out of nowhere, and all they want to do is they want to belittle you. They want to keep you under their thumb. And I have to be very frank and honest, wallahi. I have to be very honest here and say, it's sad to say that, but a lot of people in the da'wah scene like that. They are like that. They might be older than a newcomer, a person who's new in the da'wah, a person who's just, starting the da'wah. Instead of being a sincere advisor and helping him how to go about things, then they don't do it in that way. What they do is they want to control that young, fresh youth who has high aspiration. His da'wah is, mashallah, he wants to go out and do a lot. Instead of helping him how to go about the way to do it and set, a path for him and help him and not extinguish that light from him. You want that light to flame and go more, but you want to put it in the right direction. No, some people, they want to keep you under their thumb. They want to control your life. So whenever they see you prospering and succeeding, they want to push you backwards. They will accuse you of things that you're free from. They will treat you in a way that is, it's evil. So those are the type of people who will push you to that which is low. So I say to the young one, don't lose passion and drive. And don't also become against your seniors. Whether they treat you in that way or not, there's a lot you're going to benefit from them as well. And through them, you'll be protected from many things as well. فَكُلَّمَا هَمَّ بِالصُّعُودِ عَوَّقُوا عَنْ هِمَّتِي. Those type of people, what they will do to you is they will put your aspiration down and they will kill your aspiration. They'll make funny jokes like, really, you think you are going to change everything? That's what they do. And also what they do is وَثَنَوْهُ عَنْ عَزِيمَتِهِ. They kill his conviction. تارة بالتخذيل وتارة بالتخويف وتارة بوضع العراقيل وهكذا. Sometimes they scare him. They scaremongering. I will expose you. I know what you are. I'm just going to go to your parents. I'm going to speak to your parents. وهكذا. وتارة, and sometimes they place obstacles and things in front of you. وهكذا. Don't be scared. Carry on your da'wah. Have faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and keep going. وَلَوْ لَمْ يَأْتِهِ مِنْ مُجَالَسَةِ هَؤُلَاءِ إِلَّا أَنَّهُ يُقَارِنُ حَالَهُ بِحَالِهِمْ. Those type of people, when you sit with them, wallahi, if there's nothing else they do to you except they make you like them, is enough as a harm. They don't do anything else to you, but they make you think like them and be like them, then that itself is enough. So don't get fooled by those people. And that is wallahi one of the things that destroys a person's aspiration. The type of people you keep around you. Keep around you people who are hardworking, people who are driven, people who believe that the sky is not the limit. That's the type of people you want to be around. That's the type of people you want to keep in your surrounding. And brothers and sisters, those people who have high aspiration don't have to necessarily be positive people. This concept that I have to only that I only have to be around people who are positive, it's a mistake, wallahi. Sometimes there are people who are negative, okay? But their negativity is based on a constructive criticism. In that issue they're negative in, okay, it's a constructive criticism. It helps you. Wallahi, it helps. Don't dismiss those people and keep around you people who would only say yes, 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 yes to you. Bring that type of person close, who's bringing you constructive criticism. Hear them out and take it on board. They are part of the people who are going to make you flirt. So that's why I say keep around you people who have high aspiration, not people who are positive. Not necessarily. People who have high aspiration. Those are the type of people you want to be with. Who would always push you to your limits. Sometimes they will say negative things to you, yes, in order to correct you, in order to rectify your situation, and so you achieve the best that you can achieve.